Take out the pillar. Place the column connector into the groove of the column. Tighten it with a hex wrench. Take out the bottom plate and stick it to the column. Fix with screws. Stand up the pillar. Take out the crossbeam. The crossbeam is connected to the column through a metal slider on the back. Tighten it with a hex wrench. After the installation of the 4 crossbeams, it is also necessary to check whether the diagonal length of the column is consistent. Take out the manual device and leaf cover. Install the leaf cover onto the manual device. Put on the gasket and tighten it with screws. Take out the blade. Install the blades onto the manual device. Tighten with screws. Take out the other end of the blade cover and install it onto the blade. Tighten with screws. Take out the blade. Attach the leaf cover to the blade. Tighten the screws. Complete the assembly of the blinds in sequence. Install the assembled louvers onto the crossbeam. Install the blinds with manual devices into the corresponding card slots. Take out the joystick and install it onto the manual device. Rotate the joystick. Take out the gasket and place it on the crossbeam. Fix with screws. Install the blinds into the crossbeam slot. Complete the installation of blinds in sequence. Take out the cable box cover. Install the cable box cover onto the crossbeam. Each box cover should be tightened with 3 to 4 self-tapping screws. Take out the top cover of the pillar and install it onto the pillar. Fix with screws. Take out the linkage rod and connect it to the blade with a pin shaft. Take out the plug and insert it into the hole. Drill holes in the bottom plate of the column with an impact drill. Install the expansion screw and tighten it. Install the decorative cover onto the pillar. Installation is complete.